Two productivity titans face off, ClickUp and Slack. Which one really delivers? On the left, ClickUp, the all-in-one project management powerhouse. On the right, Slack, the real-time communication champion. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we get all wild with the details, here's a quick mind map. So, we'll be comparing ClickUp and Slack in categories like pricing, task management, communication, AI features, integrations, and customization. Yep, we're covering all the major stuff you care about in 2025. Starting off, let's talk money. Pricing, always a huge deal. ClickUp is pretty generous with this free forever plan, which is nice if you're just getting started. As you grow, they've got unlimited users for $10 a head. And then there's the business plan at $19 per user each month. Not too shabby, but heads up, the free plan doesn't give you everything. Now, Slack also rolls out a free plan, so nobody's left out. Their Pro plan costs $8.75 per user monthly, which honestly is a solid deal for a chat-first tool. But if you want those big business features, Business Plus is $15 a month. And for Enterprise, the pricing is a mystery unless you call sales. So, between the two, ClickUp gives you more value and transparency, especially for project management. Winner? ClickUp. All right, let's talk about task management. And you know what? This is where ClickUp goes all out. They're built for tasks. Gantt charts if you're into timelines, Kanban boards for visual folks, classic lists, and workflows with a bunch of automations. You want advanced features? ClickUp's got them. But I'll admit, it can feel a bit much if you just want something simple. Now, Slack, task management isn't really their thing. They've got Slack lists for basic stuff, but if you want more, you're looking at third-party apps or plugging in ClickUp itself. It's just not what Slack was made for. So, this one's a total slam dunk for ClickUp. Let's shift gears to communication, and oh man, this is Slack's playground. You want real-time messaging? Done. Channels, threads, amazing search, share all your files. You can live in Slack and never miss a beat. It's quick, it's snappy, but to be fair, things can get a little chaotic if you have too many channels. ClickUp, on the other hand, is more about task-related chat, with some AI-powered summaries, which is neat, but honestly, it doesn't come close to dedicated chat features. If you want pure communication, Slack absolutely wins here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Pro tip time. A lot of teams actually use both ClickUp and Slack together. Yep, they run project tasks in ClickUp and then bounce quick chats over on Slack. Sometimes combining tools just works. Now, AI features. This is where it gets kind of fun. ClickUp's not shy. Auto task creation, thread summarization, meeting notes, duplicate task detection. The AI actually feels useful, especially if your work gets complex. It might feel a little overwhelming for small teams, but wow, it's smart. Now, Slack, they do have basic AI perks like search improvements or message suggestions, but it's pretty light and mostly just makes finding chats faster. For teams chasing that next level AI, ClickUp totally takes the cake. So what about integrations? ClickUp links you up with about 1,000 apps, those big project management connections, and yes, it even works with Slack. But comparably, Slack is the king of integrations, like 2,000 apps. Everything you need for communication, automation, podcasts, you name it. It's seriously hard to beat in the world of connections. Sure, there's less focus on project management tools, but for overall app variety, Slack pulls ahead and wins this round. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk customization. ClickUp is, honestly, insane for this. Custom fields, dashboards, flexible views. You can mold your workflow however you want, but be ready. It takes a little learning to unlock all that power. Slack, meanwhile, lets you fine-tune channels and notification settings, but not so much on workflow depth. So if customization is your thing, ClickUp is the clear winner. Quick visual check-in. So on the radar chart, you'll see ClickUp pulling ahead for project management, AI, and customization, while Slack shines big on communication and integrations. Pricing's close, but ClickUp squeaks ahead. Interesting, right? All right, so where do you land after all that? If your team is all about projects, tons of tasks flying around, and you want pro-level features, ClickUp is definitely your winner. But If you live and breathe fast messaging and need something simple and reliable for communication, Slack is where it's at. Ready to boost your team's productivity? Now's the time. Pick the tool that matches how you work best. Project heavy? Go ClickUp. Need lightning-fast communication? Go Slack. Your workflow, your win.